Hello my dear viewers and also my dear students. Hope you're good wherever you are watching from different part of the world. So welcome to this particular tutorial whereby we are going to solve the quadratic equation that is 12x squared plus 17x plus 6 is equal to 0 using the following method. We have factorization method. Then after that, we look at quadratic formula and how to solve quadratic equation. And lastly, completing square method. Please kindly, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe to get more updates. And also you can share to your friends and colleagues. So we can begin with the first method, which is factorization method of solving quadratic equation. So this equation is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and therefore using factorization method we need to find the product AC. So the product AC. So from the given equation, A is 12 and C is 6. That is 12 times 6 is equal to 72. Then we require to find the factors of 72, that's the product AC, such that if we add the two factors, it should give us B. If, for example, the two factors are P and Q, when we add them, it should give us B. So in other words, we find factors of 72 such that if we add, it gives us 17. So we can try several. So one of the factors of 72, we have 2 times 36. If we add this, it doesn't give us 72. I mean 17. Instead it gives 38. So the other case, 3 times 24. That's another factor of 72. But if we add, it doesn't give us 17. The other factor is 4 times, that is 18. Again, if we add the two factors, it doesn't give us 17. We try the other one, 6 times 12. If we add, it gives us 18, that is not 17. And lastly, we can also try the other one, 8 times 9. If we add 8 times 9 or 9 times 8, this will give us 17. So for that case, this is what we shall take, either of them. Now, the middle part, which is 17x, so 17x will be written as 8x plus 9x. So we write the middle term in the expanded form, that will be 12x squared plus now 8x plus 9x, then plus 6 is equal to 0. Then from there, we take this into pairs, take them into pairs, and then we factor out what is common. So 12x squared plus 8x, so 4 is common, x and x, 4x common. So 12x squared divided by 4x, that is 3x, then plus 8x divided by 4x, we have 2. So the bracket, then plus 9x and 6, 3 is common. So 9x divided by 3, we get 3x, and 6 divided by 3, that is 2. Close the bracket, 3 will be equal to 0. And therefore, from this point now, we take 4x plus 3 to bracket multiplied by 3x plus 2 bracket will be equal to 0. So here it means that a times b is equal to 0. Either a is 0, so when a is 0, 0 times b is 0, or a times 0 is 0. So either of them. So it means that 4x plus 3 is equal to 0, or 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. And here we shall get, so we have 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. That will be 4x will be equal to minus 3. And this means that x is equal to minus 3 over 4, or minus 3/4. The other case is 3x plus 2 is equals to 0, and therefore this is 3x is equal to minus 2. And this implies that x is equal to minus 2 that. Finally, we say that x is minus 3/4 or minus 2 that. And that is the value of x when using the factorization method. The same result should happen if we use the quadratic formula. And look at the quadratic formula. Still, this is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, whereby the coefficient of a squared, which is a, is 12, b is 17, and c is 6. So we need to use the quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So the square root of b squared minus 4ac is a discriminant. So we substitute into this formula. So minus b is 17, then plus or minus square root of b is 17 is squared minus 4 times a is 12 and c is 6 all over 2 times 12. So this we end up getting is minus 17 plus or minus square root of 17 squared is 289, then minus 4 times 12 times 6, we get 288 all over 24, 2 times 12. So this will be minus 17 plus or minus, this will be the square root of 1 all over 24. So in this case, x is equal to minus 17 plus or minus square root of 1 is 1, then all over 24. Either x is minus 17 plus 1 all over 24, or the other case, minus 17 minus 1 all over 24. So if we simplify this, this is minus 16 over 24, and the other case, this is minus 18 over 24. So if we simplify this, we get minus 2 that, and the other case is minus 3/4. Therefore x is minus 2 that, or minus 3/4. So that is the value of x. We have used the quadratic formula. We are still getting the same results. And lastly, the other method is completing square method. Completing square method. For this case, remember this is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So when using completing square method, we need to make the coefficient of x squared to be 1. So a should be equal to 1. In that case, we divide each term by a, such that we get c over a squared plus c over a squared. x squared plus b over ax plus c over a is equal to 0. So from the given equation, so we divide each term by 12, we get x squared plus 17 over 12x plus 6 over 12 is equal to 0. So this will be x squared plus 17 over 12x, then plus we can take 6 over 12 to the right hand side. This will be, in simplified form, would be minus a half. So we need to ask ourselves, what must be added to make it a perfect square? What must be added to the left hand side to make it a perfect square? And whatever must be added must also be added to the right hand side. And what is to be added is a half the coefficient of b squared. So here is a half coefficient of x squared is 17 over 12. Everything squared. So and here the same case, what must be added is a half the coefficient of x squared. So this will be x squared plus 17 over 12x plus this is 17 over 24 squared would be equal to minus a half plus this is 17 over 24 squared. Now in the left hand side, since a perfect square, this can be written as x plus 17 over 24 into bracket, the square would be equal to, this is minus 1 over 2 plus 17 squared 289 over 24 squared, that is 576. If we simplify the right hand side, LCM is 576. So 576 divided by 2, 288 times minus 1, that will be minus 2 to 8. Then plus 576 divided by 576, that is 1 times 289, that is 289. And therefore, so we have x plus 17 over 24 squared is equal to, this will be 1 over 576. So you need to find the square root on both sides. So x plus 17 over 24 will be equal to the square root of 1 over 76. And in that case, square root of 1 is, that will be plus or minus. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 576 is 24. Therefore, this will be 17 over 24. Take it to the right hand side, it will be minus 17 over 24 plus or minus 1 over 24. Either this one will be minus 17 over 24 plus 1 over 24. Since the denominator is the same, we add the numerator directly. That will be minus 16 over 24. In simplified form, it will be minus 2 thirds. The other case would be minus 17 over 24. Now we take the minus sign, minus 1 over 24. The same case, minus 17 minus 1, that is minus 18 all over 24. In simplified form, that is minus 3 over 4. Therefore, x is either minus 2 thirds or minus 3 over 4. And that's how we use completing square method to solve quadratic equation. So, among the three methods, I hope you have followed clearly and you have understood on how to follow each method step by step. So thank you so much, my esteemed viewers. See you during our next video. Thank you.